Hello, welcome back with me. I'm Andara. So today we're doing one of my favorite things ever, which is art and craft. But not just any craft. We're making something super cute and super useful.
Wow.
Before that, let me ask you something. Have you ever gotten bored of your phone case? Maybe it's turning yellow, or the design just not your style anymore. Well, I've got a perfect solution for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your own phone case using felt fabric. By the way, it's beginner friendly. So if you've never done this before, don't worry, let's do this together. Before we start to cutting and sewing, we need to plan. Grab a piece of paper and pencil. Alright, now here are the material we're going to need. First, you need some felt fabric. I'm using a green, red, white, and pink. And then some embroidery thread, wool thread or sewing thread. I have a red, green, blue, white, and brown. You also need a needle that fits your thread, like this, and sewing pin, and scissor. Plus, you need a hot glue gun. Okay, first step. After you made and cut your paper pattern, like this. 1, 2, 3. Place them on top of the felt fabric. It should be like this. Now, carefully cut the felt, following the shape of the pattern. Once everything in place, here's how it turned out. Cute, right? Once of all the pieces are cut, let's sew it. Don't forget to tie off the thread when you are done sewing, so it doesn't come loose. Ta-da! And this is the result. For the next part, we're going to glue this strawberry piece right here using a hot glue gun. And the final step, glue the plain red felt onto your old phone case as the base, right here. Once it's all covered, glue the decorated felt piece right on top, like this. Okay? Ta-da! And we're done. This is the result. Look at this adorable phone case.